Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to flip an image in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to flip a picture horizontally or vertically on Google Docs, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To flip an image horizontally or vertically in Google Docs, first of all, open Google Docs in your web browser. Once you are in Google Docs, open an existing document or create a new one where you want to insert and flip an image. Click on the location in your document where you want to insert the image. Now, from the menu options at the top of the screen, click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Drawing, then click on New from the right side to open the Drawing tool. In the Drawing tool interface, click on the image icon from the toolbar. Now, upload the image from your computer, or use other options like searching the web or using your Google Drive or Photos. Once uploaded, the image will appear on the drawing screen. To flip or rotate an image, first click on the uploaded image to select it. Now, click on Actions in the toolbar at the top of the Drawing tool window. A drop-down menu appears. Hover over Rotate. On the right side, you will see 4 options: rotate clockwise by 90 degree, rotate anti-clockwise by 90 degree, flip horizontally, and flip vertically. Choose flip horizontally or flip vertically based on your requirements. Once you have flipped the image, click on Save and close in the top right corner of the Drawing tool window. The flipped image will now be inserted into your document. Now, you can click on the image to resize or move it within your document as needed.